Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Varun Dhawan. We actually got off our metro or tram or whatever it is to actually go and visit, what is it, Madame Tussaud's. But what the hell is going on here, dude? But yeah, now I guess we're just gonna go to a beach and we're going to time manage. And I'm exhausted, not going to lie. And now we're just trying to find how to get to the beach. Chilling with the fam, eating navratan.
I thought you were just talking like that.
Beach side. My mom managed to secure the spot. Kudos to her. Okay guys, so I think it's been 1 hour or 45 minutes since we've been chilling here, and I ate a lot of orange and we just sustain here, if you know what I mean. And it's an amazing view, by the way. Plus now
और अपना कचरा बीचेस पे नहीं फेंकना चाहिए, इसको साथ लेके जाना चाहिए और कहीं डिस्पोज
how
मैंने
cute.
लेकिन यहाँ पर प्लास्टिक बहुत चलता है.
हाँ, exactly. But how sweet of my mom. And now we are going to head to Madame Tussaud. About time. So can you like chop chop? Yo, why the hell is this so way up? Madame Prasad, you better be good. Damn, dude, nahi mummy, it's written 1 ticket 5 experiences. We can see images of Singapore live. We can see Spirit of Singapore boat ride. We can see Madame Prasad Singapore. We can see Marvel 4D cinema. We can.
ये है ना 4D experience एक. ये हो रहा है ना?
Yeah. And then we can also watch Ultimate Film Star Experience.
You can do all this. And we bought the ticket. Okay, fine.
Oh my god.
She looks too real, right?
Nahi, she looks so small. Overall. Believe it or not, this is actually the entrance to the Bollywood show in Madame Tussauds. I know it looks like a B-Tech or like second hand or like whatever restaurant in India, but damn, this is what it is. Shri Ganesh, Bangalore Bakery. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, Varun Dhawan. Ooh, ooh. Oh shit, dude, let's take a photo. I will. Oh shit, are these real? They aren't. They're not. Oh my god, Salman Khan. Yo, I can wear this. I can pull this off. Or this.
Welcome to the ultimate star experience. And welcome to your audition. Let's see if you have what it takes.
Dude, what is going on?
Now you'll be that something terrible is gonna happen. Go.
What?
And jump.
This is so cringe.
Now put in your mood and be Go.
I'm listening to Karan.
It's like playing with Dora the Explorer.
You have what it takes to be the next movie star. Keep up the good work.
क्या कर रहे हो आप? क्या कर रहे हो? Dude, you're heavy. You're heavy. Nice. What the hell is going on? Madame Tussaud, Singapore, and we just ended it with a 4D ride of Marvel. It was really interesting. It had one of those things which I've never felt before. That sounded wrong, but it had like something Iron Man getting hit from the back, and the seat actually had something in it and it popped out. So everyone was like, ooh, what the hell was that? That was a new sensation. But yeah, it was pretty cool, pretty good. They had some new experiences which I've never experienced in all of the Madame Tussauds I've been to before. And now I think we are probably going to we're probably going to end the day now and gonna head home, but let's see. So these are our rides which will take us down. Cable car. Dude, there was no one. We just got out and I still don't understand what's going on. So the places we've covered today is we've been to Beach Station, and then we've been to Imbia Station. Now we're getting back to Resorts World Station. Basically that has Universal Studios as well, and the Resort World and attractions. To basically get ticket for what is it? Horror Nights.
About $60 from what we know.
About $60 from what we know, and that's actually pretty expensive. But I'm really excited because I've always wanted to go to some place like that, and I've never been to such a place. But this might be really exciting for me, or it could go just really bad for me real quick. But yeah, now we're going back and we will probably buy tickets for the Halloween Horror Nights, and I'm really excited for that. I just hope it turns out like what I'm thinking of it. Yeah. Even though it looks like we can't buy the tickets at the moment for Halloween Horror Nights, but I'm still hyped for tomorrow. Even though I still don't know if we will be able to come because we just can't buy tickets for some reason. But yeah, that's the entrance to Singapore Studios, Universal Studios Singapore. And let's try to buy the tickets because I really want to come and I really want to go. Guess what? We are going there right now. Great. That's the ticket, and fingers crossed.